What is going on, guys? Today I'm in our Athens location and we have something really unique that we are working on. It is getting kind of the works package. This is going to be getting PPF, window tint, and ceramic coating. And the vehicle we're working on is the one right over my shoulder. This is a 2023 Ford Transit high roof. And it's unique because we see these around. A lot of shipping companies use them. A lot of people use them for to move parcels across the country and things like that. But these clients, and it's becoming very popular for a lot of clients, to turn them into essentially custom-made RVs. A lot of people are doing them themselves. They're doing a build out themselves. This client actually purchased this vehicle and took it immediately to a company called EZAutoSpa, or that's their website, EZAutoSpa, and they did a really, really cool interior design. And this customer is going to basically take this vehicle cross country. They are planning, I know, a trip to Texas to see a lunar eclipse. They're going to Louisiana. They picked this vehicle up from Indiana. It's here in Georgia now, so it's gonna go all over the place. It already has been. And what we wanna do is we wanna protect it. The reason people would buy a Transit Connect with a high roof like this rather than buying a traditional RV is honestly, it's easier to park, it's easier to navigate inside the cities, it's easier to find places that you can stay overnight. You don't have to stay at an RV park. You can literally navigate if you're going to a big city. This is a whole lot easier to navigate, find a parking spot and just go check out new sights and scenes and not have to tow another vehicle behind you to navigate those. So for this vehicle, we want to protect it. A couple of things we're doing to it. We're doing a full front paint protection film. This is going to protect it whether it's here in Georgia or it goes down to Florida and there's love bugs on the road, or whether it's getting rock chips on an Arizona street or wherever they are, it's gonna get all the road debris and all the things that come off the road, it's gonna be protecting it. We're also doing a ceramic coating package on this. This is our CSER 9-year package, and it's gonna make it significantly easier to wash. This is not an easy vehicle to wash. We've done it a couple of times since it's been here. It's so large, a lot of drive-through car washes probably couldn't even accept a vehicle like this. So if you're gonna be hand washing a vehicle, let's make it a little easier. The ceramic coating is going to do that. This client also opted in for a window tint package, and we did a little unique with that as well. We did a 50% light penetration window tint package, and what this means is it's not going to be super visible. It's not going to be super dark, but we went with EZAuTOSpa, which is our premium ceramic tint. This allows it to cut all the infrared rays, or a significant amount of the infrared rays, 99% of the UV rays, and it also allows it to, no matter what state they go in, they know that they're above the legal limit on all the states that they travel throughout the country. So if you are someone who is interested in getting a transit van like this and getting it protected, feel free to reach out to us. Our shops are built to be large enough to handle things like RVs, things like transits, things even like boats that we get in, and we do this because so many people want to get these vehicles protected. They want to be able to use them and play with them, enjoy them, but they also want to make them easier to care for and make them look newer longer. So if you're interested, if you have any questions about protecting your vehicle or your investment, talk to us now. Talk to us in advance before you purchase it. That does help us to get you scheduled in. We want to get this installed in as prompt and as efficient a timeline as possible, but we want to also make sure that we have the personnel set up to do so. So reach out to our team. We'd love to help, love to come alongside you with this project. Thanks so much for watching. Have an awesome day.